In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a voiceover inside HeyGen or upload an existing audio file so your avatar can speak clearly and confidently. Before we begin, it helps to have a quiet space, a decent microphone if you're recording, and a clean audio file ready if you're uploading. Common formats like MP3, WAV, or M4A work well, and keeping your audio around 44.1 or 48 kHz helps maintain quality. Start by opening your browser and heading to HeyGen. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Avatar. This takes you to the area where you'll create and manage avatar-based videos. Next, click New Video. This opens a fresh project where your avatar and audio will come together. Think of this as your canvas. If you've prepared a script elsewhere, keep it nearby for reference, but focus here on getting your audio in place first. Now, click Record. This brings up the recording panel so you can capture audio directly in HeyGen. Choose Record Audio to begin setting up your mic. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone, allow it. Speak a short test line and watch your input levels. Aim for a strong, steady signal without peaking into the red. A small adjustment to mic distance, roughly a hand's width from your mouth, often reduces plosives and breath noise. If you already have a polished voiceover, switch over to Upload Audio. This is ideal when you've edited your track in a separate app. Make sure the file is your final mix, free of background hum, with consistent volume. Clear naming also helps you keep things organized later. Click Upload a file or drag and drop here, then select your audio from your computer. Drag and drop is quick, but the button works just as well. While the file loads, avoid navigating away so the upload can complete smoothly. Larger files may take a moment. That's normal. Finally, click Upload Audio to confirm and attach it to your project. Your audio will appear in the timeline, and HeyGen will prepare it for lip sync with your chosen avatar. If the upload seems slow, check your connection and verify the file isn't unusually large or corrupted. That's it. You've added audio to your HeyGen project, either by recording it on the spot or by uploading a finished track, so you're ready to continue crafting your video with clear professional sound.